Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are checking out this channel for the very first time and you're interested in becoming a model, you definitely want to consider subscribing because I make some of the best content that you guys are going to see on YouTube about the modeling industry. All right, guys, so in this video, I want to talk about the reigning male model of the year, Kit Butler. So at the time I'm making this video, Kit Butler is a 26-year-old British male model. He's 6'2" and he's signed with Next Model Management in London. So Kit was born in Oxford, England, but he actually spent most of his school years in Italy. He speaks Italian fluently, and he also finds passion in picking up new languages, and this comes in handy as a male model because you're having to travel around the world, work in different markets, and if you can relate to your clients or relate to some of the designers, agencies in their language, you tend to have more charisma that way, right? So this is something that's come to Kit's advantage throughout the years. At age 10, Kit actually enjoyed skiing a lot. He was actually ranked top 100 skiers under the age of 10 in Italy. And the following year, he actually joined an elite school to learn how to ski professionally. Kit also had a passion for other sporting events like rugby. He became very passionate about rugby and wanted to pursue that professionally. So from being a very active teenager and playing high intensity sports like rugby, Kit was actually able to build up his body, get those broad shoulders and lean muscles that a lot of talent scouts usually look for. And sure enough, when he was at the age of 16, he was actually discovered by a talent scout from Next Models. He then went on to sign with a number of modeling agencies across the world, from Next Models in London, Site Management, Banana Models, Soul Artist Management, Fashion Model Management as well. He was signed all over in all the major markets, and this really helped kickstart his career. So Kit first appeared as a model in the very first RWK Goodman fashion show in 2015, and since then his career just skyrocketed. Since then, he's done a lot of major campaigns for Emporio Armani, Polo by Ralph Lauren, Hugo Boss. He also walked in fashion shows for Balmain, Le Holmes, and Versace, right? So this is just the beginning of his career. In 2023, he had a phenomenal year where he walked in pretty much all of the major fashion events around the world, and he also booked a lot of high-profile editorial campaigns. This got him recognized and won him the award of Male Model of the Year. So far this year, Kit is showing no signs of slowing down. He's done a lot of major campaigns again for Puma, for Laquan Smith, Michael Kors, Calvin Klein, and he's actually on the current Zara Man Spring campaign as well. If you guys enjoyed this video, I appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're watching for the first time. I'm back. You guys are gonna see a lot more videos coming soon. Thanks for the support. I'll catch you guys in my next one.